Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct. Welcome to Character Modeling. Welcome to Summer 2023. That's correct. I'm Adam Rozeski. I'm going to be your teacher this summer. Hope you get through everything and make sure everything's good to go. It'll be good. It'll be like one-on-one time. That way it'll be perfect. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's go from there. So yeah, just give you a head start. Started all sorts of jobs, worked in the airlines, tried to be a hockey goaltender. Tore my knees out. Then I was a competitive gamer. Did a lot of Gran Turismo, Battlefront 2, multiple MMOs in the mid and early 2000s. Wanted to get into game development and eventually got my bachelor's in entertainment business and 2 master's degrees in project management and game design. Doubled in that at Full Sail. Then I worked for a bunch of companies. I worked for GP Games, Activision, EA, bounced around a lot. Worked on Hearthstone, Call of Duty, Battlefield, Plants vs. Zombies, Madden, FIFA, every sports game probably touched, NCAA. Was starting to get on Star Wars, but then I left EA. Did a lot of consultant work and worked for Universal, helped build on my management chops with big teams. Worked on the ground in the attractions area as a supervisor and a manager. And then I got called up back in the video games, Wason. They picked me up. I was doing some consultant work for some VR companies, but then I started working for a mobile game developer at a VR company, doing video games for them. And then that's pretty much it on that side. Other than that, the Mass Virtual picked me up, and now I have been working as a senior project manager, managing about 150 people, trying to do about 12 to 15 projects at a time. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Also working with the military and trying to help with some training stuff too. But over time, I've worked on probably about 70 projects as a whole. 45 of them probably video games, yeah. So I got lucky in my career in video games. I got put on a team where I could touch a lot of stuff, which was really cool. But yeah, so this quarter, we're going to be talking about character modeling. We're actually going to be modeling a character and trying to animate it by the end of this quarter. We'll be using 3ds Max, so please keep that in mind. But just give you a heads up, there's types of assignments, there's discussion, and project assignments. Discussions are always going to be due on Tuesday, initial post, except for the first week. Since we started week on Wednesday, your first post will be due on Saturday along with your reply post. However, after week 1, the initials due on Tuesday, reply on Saturday. Now, since it's just you, there's only one person in this class, I will also be doing discussion posts. Those will be done by Thursday, so you have at least 3 or 4 days. So that you have a capability of using that for your reply post, and that'll be good. So, sweet. However, after the first week, initial post due on Tuesday, reply post due on Saturday. Final day is the 15th, which is a Friday, so please make sure you have all your assignments in by September 15th at 11:59 p.m. Because once it's 12 o'clock, it will be officially late at that point. Also, we have project assignments and activities. These will always be due on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Just make sure you have that turned in by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, or else they will be late. Final day will be on September 15th for those assignments as well on Friday. So, cool. Now, project assignments, these are going to be due on Sunday at the end of the day, except for week 11. That'll be Friday. That's the last week, so please keep that in mind. We're going to be building a character and trying to animate it and move it. So a lot of the project assignments are going to be help to build this character up from the ground up. And they're going to focus on a lot of techniques that include basic principles of character modeling, character design and model structure, texture application, rigging and animation, utilizing striking features, and so much more. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff we're going to get into. Now, class expectations, do keep in mind, if any of your assignments are late by a day, they will be 10% off each day. So if you miss up to 6 days, it could be 60% off your assignment. If you get to that 7th day, it's going to be an automatic 0. So please contact me ahead of time. Don't wait till the last minute. This is something I ask each one of my classes. Don't wait till the last minute. Contact me ahead of time. That way we can set up a schedule and get everything ready, okay? I will help you if you're willing to put in the effort. Now, on your discussions, I ask you to be courteous and respectful in your discussion posts. There's a lot of critique work that we do, and we try to give feedback as much as possible. But I also like you to be thorough on your discussions. Please, at least 2 paragraphs of detail with examples each post. So you should have 4 paragraphs total, 2 for your initial, 2 for your reply post. Please give examples in detail. Please don't do, I like what you did here, great job. I didn't like what you did here, could be better, and that's it. I don't want that. I want you to actually put some effort and try and put some detail into that. That would be great. Now, other than that, I just have 2 rules. Just discover and have fun. I hope you're able to find something out of this class and really make it your own, and that would be perfect. So, all right. So let's go over, since this isn't a lecture course, let's go over your assignments and your discussions and where you're going to find everything at. So that way it's good to go. Cool. Alrighty. let's go here. So cool. So if you have any questions about where everything's going to be located at, it's going to be on your announcements for anything new that's coming. Intro assignment. You also have rubrics. So your rubrics are going to be posted right here. And then your discussion rubrics as well. So if you have any questions about how I'm going to take points or go about it, they'll be right there. Also intro, and then anything interesting will come there. If you want to send me messages, please send it through the course mail. Please do not send me my number. You have my number in my email, but please use email and course mail to contact me. I always check this daily. If it's a super emergency, then you can use my cell phone. That'd be really great. So cool. Also keep in mind your discussions are located here. Announcements are here. So all your rubrics are going to be located here. And then the content as well. So yeah, let's get into that. Oh man, I just haven't been able to get Teams to sync. I'm so sorry. It's been frustrating. Once I get sync, I'll send you the information for that as well. So, all right, cool. So this week you guys have 2 assignments, a discussion and a project assignment. So here, I want you for your project assignment to build me a character turnaround. I would like you to give me a full front view of your assignment, of your character that you choose to build, and a side view of it. So that way I can measure the height, it matches properly, and the proportions match properly too. So you should have a front view and a side view, so that way it's good to go. All right, I please ask you something. Please do not do anything crazy. Please be simplistic. Please don't give me like nothing but like 8-legged robots or something like that. Please give me humanistic characters with 2 legs. Don't go further than 2 legs, please, because that adds more animation work down the low and it breaks rigs a lot of times. Please don't do that. Also, please just keep to humanoid figures because a lot of the lecture material sticks to humanoid. If you want to do something more like an alien with humanoid features or a robot with humanoid features, just contact me. And then we'll talk about it and try to get through it as best possible. So yeah, that's what I want for your first assignment. I want 2. You can either I would like to do this in you can do this in Illustrator. You can draw this. You could however you want to go about this. Photoshop, however you want to do it, but I would like to see 1 full character turnaround. Please save your assignment in an image format that could be uploaded like a JPEG or a PNG, and just please make it an image format. That would be cool. So you should have a front view and a side view of the character that you want to build. Please keep it to 2 legs. Please keep it a humanoid form. I'd really appreciate that. So sweet. That's going to be due on Sunday. And then your discussion, you're going to talk about your character. So for your initial post, I would like you to talk about your character. I would like to come up with your character idea right now. Then write up a quick post stat sheet that includes important facts about your character, including the usual statistics, height, hair color, race, build, planet of origin, eye color, notable scars. Please give us all the statistics that your character will have and how they look in a stat sheet. And then I would like you to do a quick biography or a background of your character, of who they are, what's their origin story, what do they like, what do they dislike, what motivates them, what scares them. Give us a paragraph or 2 of insight to your character. That would be great. Cool. These are the facts that are going to really build your characters. Please include your stat sheets and your character biography, and then read through them and post at least to 2 of your classmates with questions about the character. Now, no, it's just you and me, so just post to my post, and you'll be good to go. And that'll be it. Sweet. Other than that, that's all I got for this. Initial post due on Saturday, reply post due on Saturday for this. However, next week, Tuesday, initial post will be due Tuesday, reply post due Saturday, and that'll be that. So cool. 2 paragraphs for each post. Should have 4 paragraphs apiece. Please give feedback for your reply post. I'd like you to give feedback on the post that I give. Please say if you like this, if you didn't like this, explain why, what could be improved, what things were confusing, how could they improve those confusing elements. Please give detail in your reply post. I would really appreciate that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I got. If you have any questions about how they're going to be graded, they should be right here. Your discussion rubric here, your character turnaround here. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Have a great 4th. Hope to see everybody for my second announcement later in the week, and that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.